Hello, everyone. Yesterday I already had a chance, even longer one than today, to present the project, but maybe not everyone had a quick look yesterday, so another chance, our marvelous project. My name is Vladimir Panchenko, and I am the biggest private seller of games in the world. In the past 5 years, me and my team have sold more than 15 million of those. We're using automated self-learning systems, eBay, Kinguin, G2A, wholesale, all like that. Just a year ago, we started a new project, Skins Cash, to trade virtual items. It's already second largest in the world, traded more than 12 million of those. Another project we're doing now, Dmarket, we just closed the short phase of ICO, 4 days, raised around 11 millions, and moving towards our main phase in November. Just a couple of years ago, it was, even for me, hard to understand something what I want to share with you now. There is a hidden economy cluster with billions of users, billions of sellers, billions of buyers, billions of items, enormous demand and proposition, but technologically limited to trade. And I'll try to show you where. Gaming industry reached $100 billion in 2016. Almost 30% of all Earth's population are playing games. Every minute spent in a game usually brings back some virtual items. It could be a pile of crystals, a virtual car, or even a laundry machine. But there is no way to trade all these assets between billions of gamers in the world. I think I've seen a couple of guys here before who played Dota, Counter-Strike, just a couple of games. They make it possible to trade items. And they already turn over $3 billion annually. That's just 6% of all gamers in the world. Around 4,000 people more are also possible to monetize their time playing games, and they are pro gamers in esports. And what about the rest? We tried for a long time to connect more and more games to the trading market, but it's technologically almost impossible because with every trade, we had to synchronize simultaneously thousands of databases. And here, where magic of blockchain comes. We're building a decentralized marketplace which will allow one-click trade or exchange of any virtual item on any platform or any game. This will make any virtual item a real commodity. We're bringing them to a real world's market. I understand that there are not so many gamers here, so I will try to show you in a couple of examples quickly how that will touch everybody else in this room. So imagine 2020 year. We're searching on Amazon for gloves. Your search query will return 10 items. 5 of those will be real gloves from Macy's, Bloomingdale's, any other retail store. But 5 of those will be from popular games. Because you can trade these items, you can buy these items, sell, or aftermarket. They are real ones. Another example is right now, a lot of fashion designers are making capsule collections for retail stores. Imagine Kim Kardashian creating a unique collection of 100 boots for a popular game. You can see on blockchain that it's limited collection and how many items released. You can't fake it because it's on blockchain. Imagine the demand for such items. That was a quick and short presentations of a longer one which I had yesterday. Time for questions, answers. And as for me, that was just a little something we can do with blockchain in a very, very huge gaming industry. There will be another presentation from my partner about esports and what could be done there. I think I have a couple of minutes left. Awesome. Some questions, gentlemen, ladies? Yes? The question was, how does the IP, intellectual property owners, what will they think about our idea? Am I right? Yeah. So the answer is, at the moment, we have a dozen of signed documents, even with AAA publishers who are willing to join the Dmarket. The thing is that technically all their items will remain at their possession. So the business idea, every publisher, we've seen dozens of those, and 99% of the feedback positive. They are getting increased revenue because they're getting 80% of the fees of every item change of the owner is going to the publisher. So increased revenue, also increased lifetime value of their game. People will play more when they can farm something. And also some increased marketing, because when you will be looking for the games which can be somehow monetized, they will come to their game. One problem what could be found that could disrupt the game's economy. And that's what we're always talking. We have a solution for every type of monetization, from pay-to-play to pay-to-win and even pay-to-pay, something new. Yeah, everything, we have a solution, and that's how it works. Even now on Gamescom, there are around 8 of my colleagues signing new papers with more publishers with that. Yes, sir? The question is that 80% of the transactions are going to the owners. The answer is there will be a fee of 5% for every trade on the platform. 5%, 80%, from 60 to 80 of these fees will go to the publishers, to the IP owners. That's their benefit. That's replacing the market already on the game. Yeah, just in each game. It's not usual, it's sometimes. It depends on the game. Sometimes they don't have anything. If they have something, for example, we met a lot of mobile developers who already have great monetizing solutions selling some items in their games. We have what to propose for them, and they also helped us with that, how we can give them more revenue, not disrupting current economy. So they will have their market, what they had, and we will give them some solutions which could be done only with blockchain. I can tell you later how in details. Yes? I'm sorry, is it platform restricted? Yeah, at this moment, it will be pretty easy to implement on PC games, a little bit harder with mobile games, but also doable, especially with Google. Much harder with console. We're working on that. The idea is to implement with mobile games, web games, to include it in Google Store and to work with PC games at the same time, sure.